Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix dark mode option not showing on X Twitter app. So when you open the X app, you will see the light mode or the white mode. There is no dark mode option. So in order to switch to dark mode in X app or in Twitter app, you have to turn on dark mode on your phone settings. So in order to fix the dark mode option not showing on X, you must turn on dark mode on your phone settings. This is because X not automatically follows your device system wide display settings and not from the app itself. So here how to do it. So if you are on Android, open the settings app, scroll down, then tap on display, and then here you will see the light mode and dark mode. So just tick mark the dark mode, and then you can open the X app and you will see, and then you can see the light mode has been switched to dark mode. Similarly, if you are on iPhone, then you can also enable the dark mode on your iPhone phone settings and the X app will turn into the dark mode. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.